last video, we travelled from the city of Brno in the Czech Republic all the way out to a village in the countryside called Nový Hrozenkov. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Now, we were so interested to find out what it's like out in the countryside of the Czech Republic that we thought we'd share it with all of you. So we're on our way to the village centre right now, and we'll see what it's all about when we get there.
Trying our best to understand the menu, but there's really not much English out here.
We've just come to sit down at some park benches just outside of the local church, and this place seems like a bit of a hotspot. As we're sitting here, there are a bunch of kids who seem like they've just come out of school, and this is where they've chosen to hang out for a while. There are even a bunch of information boards up. Some of them have maps of the city and the surrounding areas. Even some kids art up there, posters with events that are happening around the village and pictures from previous village events. It seems like quite a central point in the village here, right by the church.
Now when you pop onto Google and you do a quick little search of things to do in Nový Hrozenkov, TripAdvisor only comes up with one result, and that is this little dam lake thing behind us right here. This is called Balaton. Now we're not actually sure what classifies something as a dam or a lake, so if any of you know, just let us know in the comments down below. Now, unfortunately, we will be disappointing you and not going for a swim today because it is freezing, which makes sense because this place actually freezes up entirely over the winter, and people come here ice skating, which is really cool. They've also got some slides here that go straight into the water, and this has got a number of restaurants that's just like lining the water, so I can imagine this will be a really cool place to come on a nice hot summer's day.
So I know we're making it sound like there's absolutely nothing to do out here, and it is kind of true. In this tiny little village, there isn't that much to do. But if you have some means of transport, some way of getting around, there are places you can go in villages around this area that you can see and do things, from things like castles to watchtowers to snug little restaurants that serve the most delicious blueberry dumplings I've ever tasted in my entire life. You just have to be willing to go explore and find these places out in the countryside.
Take notice of if you ever consider maybe moving to a place like this is that because you're so far away from any major cities, there's actually no factories around you that provide heating to the homes. So all around you have these massive piles of wood that's just been built up. So basically everybody's responsible for themselves type of thing to provide heating for their homes. Oh, okay, but it is freezing, we're hungry, so it's time to head back to that restaurant where we didn't know how to read the menu.
Wish us luck!
One of the nice parts about eating in these local restaurants is that the portions are huge. I'm excited. So I've got what's called a Moravian pork sparrow with some sauerkraut and some potato dumplings. And this little dish over here is sort of a pork steak with a cranberry sauce and some chips.
It is so good. Wow. That was actually much easier than we thought it would be. With a little bit of help from our phone and the internet, we were able to easily translate the menu, just communicate that to our waiter. A lot of hand signals were used, but it was a really good experience and the food was delicious. Now we have our eyes set on a traditional Czech dessert. I can't remember the name of these, but they are literally just a traditional Czech pastry and they look like a pizza slice, but it's sweet, like a dessert pizza.
We know this one is poppy seeds.
And this one smells like it's rum.
I'm not sure what it is though.
We don't know what it is, and we can't remember the name of them. This is really good. If you like rum or rum and raisin, this is really good.
If you like poppy seeds, I don't think they can put any more poppy seeds on this one.
That one's better.
This one's almost like a Christmas tart type vibe. This one is interesting. It's very, very poppy seedy.
I've never tasted anything with so many poppy seeds until coming to the Czech Republic. I don't know what it is about them, but they really like poppy seeds. Yeah.
We found out the other day that Czech Republic actually exports more poppy seeds than any other country in the world. So you find poppy seeds in a lot of their dishes. Just before we wrap up this video, we want to do something a little bit different. We're quickly going to pop into one of the local grocery stores just so you can have a look at what the basic food items cost.
This is the village grocery store, the only one, so we thought it would be interesting to take a look inside.
So of all the average prices here, the stock standard sliced white bread is 24 crowns. A 1 kg pack of flour is 14 crowns.
Stock standard bottle of milk costs between 20 and 27 crowns.
The average price for a 500ml beer is 13 crowns 50. And a 1 kg pack of carrots costs you 24.50.
So that was your average little village in the countryside of the Czech Republic. We hope you guys enjoyed exploring it with us through this video.
So we can definitely say that it's very nice to come out here to the villages just to experience a different way of life. It's very relaxed, the people are so friendly. It's just a nice place to be.
So after about 3 days out in the villages, tomorrow we're heading out to our next country, which is really nearby. So let us know in the comments if you can guess which country it is.
We'll see you next time.